Welcome back to another video. I'm Ryan Pinkney and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom application in your Salesforce org. Now, I want to talk a little bit about why you would actually want to create a custom application. Applications in your org can be accessed through the app launcher here in the top left through the waffle icon. And there are several applications that come out of the box with your Salesforce org, depending on the products and licenses you've purchased from Salesforce. If you've purchased Sales Cloud, for example, you'll have access to this out-of-the-box sales app. If you purchase Service Cloud or Marketing Cloud, you'll also respectively get those out-of-the-box applications. And there are lots of other ones that I'm not going to go into, but just know that the applications you see here will depend on the products you've purchased. And when you create your custom application, it will also appear here on this list and can be accessed through the app launcher. Why you would create a new custom application. Custom applications are a great way to customize the experience of the users and just narrow down the amount of information that they are presented with when they log into your org. As you can see here in the Sales Cloud that is out of the box, there are a lot of tabs and a lot of different records that they can access, and it can be a little overwhelming for a new user who's not familiar with Salesforce to come in here and see all these tabs. It is important to know, however, that each application in your Salesforce org uses the same data. So if you are in the sales app and you look at accounts, these accounts are the same ones that you would be accessing if you were in the Service Cloud and you went to accounts. It is the same records. And applications also are not responsible for actual permissions, user permissions and visibility, but it is a great way to get started with setting up the user's visibility and record permission. It's one of many steps. So without further ado, I'm going to get into actually how you would create a custom application. First thing you're going to want to do is to go into Setup. From Setup, you're going to search in the quick find for App Manager. And we're going to click into App Manager. And this is the console that gives you access to all those out-of-the-box applications that I pointed out earlier. There are a lot of them. And so if you do want to make any changes to them, you can do that through this page. We're going to be creating a new Lightning app. So we're going to click that button, and it's going to launch the new Lightning app wizard. We're going to give our new app a name. I'm going to call mine Ryan New App. It's going to fill out the developer name for me, and let's put in a description. This app will do amazing things. Over here on the right-hand side, you have options to change the branding of the app. You can change the color or upload an image to be your logo, and that logo will get displayed in the top left. This is a great way to customize Salesforce for your organization or company and make it feel more like an internal system. We're going to click Next. Here, you're going to be given some options like about form factor and other personalization. For our purposes, we're just going to leave them all blank, but if that is something you want to change, you can do that there. Next, this is where you're going to customize the utility bar. The utility bar, as it's showing, is the bar basically at the bottom of the screen, the footer. If you want to customize that, you can do that here, and it'll give you some options of things you can add, like visual force pages, links, or chatter feed. For our purposes, we're not going to do any of that, and we're just going to click Next. All right, navigation items are basically the tabs that appear across the screen when the user clicks into your application. This is what I was talking about, where you can really customize it for the type of users that are going to be using this app. So like, let's say your customer support agents are going to be in this app. You probably only want to give them access to a few things, maybe cases, maybe accounts. They don't need to have access to everything though. So we're just going to do that. Once you've selected those items, we're just going to click next. All right, here on the next screen, we're going to pick which profiles have access to this application. I'm going to just select System Administrator. But if you had other profiles set up in your organization, you could assign this app to them. Okay, we're going to click Save and Finish. It's going to take a second to load, and we can see that our new application was made. So now let's navigate back to our org, and we're going to come here to the app launcher, give it a refresh, and let's see if our new app is available yet. Yep. So now you can see my app is available here, and it has the 2 navigation items that I selected, and currently it's only assigned to system administrators, so anyone that is not a system administrator won't be able to come into this app, but obviously you could broaden that scope if needed. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.